Brings back memories. What is happening there? Welcome back, everybody. This morning, we have a few grade 1 students from St. Peter and Paul Prep, along with their teachers, going to tell us why they're dressed this way. Look at how nicely they're dressed this morning and the importance of this particular tradition. Let me tell you who the students are first, because it's Child Month, so we start there. Journey Dior Johnson, Amelia Hall, Zamir Dickens, Jackson Stanley, Mason Rain Byfield, Riley Ty, and Aiden Rowe. And teachers, we save the best for last. Shane Morrison and Marlene George Brooks. Hi, kiddos. Good morning. How are you? They look so nice. Teach, honestly.
We're good.
What's really happening here? What did we just witness on our television sets in that little clip?
So we're currently on the topic Christian celebrations.
This is religious education?
Religious education, right. And one of the celebration that we have under the topic Christian celebration is wedding. And instead of watching a video, we decided to act out a wedding.
How long have you guys been doing this as part of the curriculum?
Well, over 3 years now.
Really?
3 years.
So it was inspired by COVID. So after they came back from COVID, from online rather, no one was interacting that much. And so this activity encouraged teamwork and cooperation and togetherness. Yeah.
Well, this shows me that St. Peter and Paul is thinking outside the box.
Definitely.
And that your leadership also thinks outside the box. Because there are some people who would say, but these are kids, why you do it, right?
Right.
So what's the feedback you received from the parents, from everybody involved on the reception to this traditional exercise?
Well, in the WhatsApp group that they have, the buzz started. So they were excited. They pulled from the main group and had their own planning committee. So
the parents did?
Parents had their own planning committee. They chose the outfits before the children actually voted as to who they wanted to be the bride and the groom. So the children had a democratic process.
This is like a democracy.
Yes, they had a democratic process.
Wow.
And the parents were excited. So we had aunts and uncles, everybody coming to the wedding yesterday. It was exciting.
Oh my gosh, I cannot do this. So what are you teaching them really? And what do you gauge at their understanding even before I talk to them?
Well, what we want to inculcate in our students is that learning can be and is fun.
Mm-hmm.
So when they are participating in this activity, they realize that it's not always about writing and just being strict as it relates to learning things. You can also have fun.
Mm-hmm. Without the stress of actually paying the marriage bills and such, because wedding is a stressful time.
It is.
But I get there, it wasn't so stressful for the kids. How do they take to the process, O'Shane?
The kids at this age, they learn even faster than if they were in the upper kindergarten. And they understand what they're doing because they have the experience of being at a wedding before. So majority of them, they would have been a flower girl or a ring boy. And so they have been at weddings, and so they would have contributed to what I would have understand. So we both learn in the process.
What kind of questions did they ask you about marriage and weddings during this exercise?
Oh,
because I know when them go to open their mouth is a different kind of insight we get from them.
Well, one of the major things that they ask, why do we have to kiss? And we're like, nope, that's not what we're doing.
Not kissing. High five or a hug.
High five or a hug. So they were a little bit nervous about the contact that they would have with each other. But we set their mind at ease that it is between friends. So the students understood that and just moved forward with it.
Gosh, what age group is this we're looking at?
These are 6-year-old students.
Okay.
And 7.
You just try tell Miss, please. Who is 7? Who is 7? Who is 6? Okay, you're 7 too. Did you just say pastor? Are you the pastor? Can you come here, pastor? What's your name, pastor?
Aiden.
Your pastor, Aiden. So what did you have to do for the ceremony? Tell Auntie what you did.
I conduct. I lead it.
You led the service.
And I told them what to do.
Okay, so like tell Auntie what you did. So when they came in, what did you say?
I said, "Good morning, boys, girls, teachers, and parents."
And then what you say after that?
And then I said, today is a special day. We are here to celebrate the pretend wedding of two very good friends.
I know, pretend wedding, pretend friendship. Are they actually gonna do the wedding? Okay, Auntie's gonna come out the way. Who's the bride and who's the groom? What's your name, bride?
Dior.
Journey. And who's the groom? Mr. Groom, you cannot stand with your back to the bride because you're not sure me say you want to. Get ready? Oh, he's not supposed to see her before
No.
Oh.
So it's a surprise.
It's a surprise. Let me just extricate myself from the set. Take it away, Pastor.
Come back.
Go ahead, Pastor.
Let's stand. Oh, back. Sorry.
You know,
Thank you.
go on, Pastor. Go ahead.
No, I'll stay. Bring boy.
Oh. Gotcha. Oh my God. I would die.
Touching. He turns around.
Go ahead, Pastor. Okay, ready? Go, Jackson. Go.
Good afternoon, boys, girls, teachers, and guardians. Today, good morning, Pastor Aidan. May God bless you and have a wonderful.
Okay.
Today is a special day. We are here to celebrate the pretend wedding of two very good friends who care about each other very much. This is just for fun, so everyone can learn about weddings and friendship. Now, let's begin. Dear friends, we are gathered here today to join Zamir Dickens and Journey Dior Johnson in pretend marriage. They are best friends and have decided to show how much they care about each other by saying special words and promises. Zamir, you can say these vows to Journey. I promise to be your friend, to laugh and play every day. I will share my snacks and help you when you need me. I will be kind and always care for you. Together we will have fun forever and ever. Journey Dior, you can repeat these vows to Zamir. I promise to be a good friend, to smile, share, and care. I will always be there for you in fun times and hard times. Now you will exchange rings. These are special rings to remind you of your promises to be kind and loving friends. Zamir and Journey Dior, you have made pretend promises to be caring friends, and now with the power of imagination and play, I say, you are now pretend husband and wife. You may give each other a hug.
Yay! Oh, so cute. Oh, is there more?
Let's all clap.
Let's all clap.
And celebrate this fun and happy moment. Thank you everyone for being part of this special pretend wedding. Now let's go enjoy the rest of our day with joy and friendship.
Yay! Everybody go! So cute. Very nice. Very nice. Well done, guys. Come here, bride and groom. Hi. Come this way, Journey.
Up, guys.
Come on the other side, Avanti. How did that feel? Did you have a lot of fun doing that? Tell me a little bit about Journey. Is she really your friend? Why is she your friend? Tell me what it is that makes her your special friend. You just made vows to her, so you can't be quiet now. Tell me what you love. What do you love about your friend? One thing. One? Journey, what do you love about your friend?
He always play with me.
He always plays with you. So you guys made a pledge to be friends forever, to share snacks, and what else? To be kind, and to be caring. Those are very serious vows, okay? So always be kind, always be caring, and always share, because that's how friendships stay friendships for a long time. Okay? Thank you very much, guys. Boy, Miss and Sir, I've never seen anything like this in my entire life. Obviously, it's something you plan to keep doing.
Can you take
Yes.
this mic off of me?
We can take it off of you when the segment is finished. You want to take it off now? Why you don't like it? You who want a snack? You can't get snack till the wedding finished, sir. You know, reach on our mess hall yet. But Jesus, the caterers, she won't take off her mic. The caterers have not yet fixed the room, so you have to wait until you can head over. You can head over. Beautiful. Was this a lot of work to put together?
Well, it was on the part of parents. Parents were the ones. Journey, stand on that side.
Yeah, they're kids, guys. They're going to do what kids do. Yes, miss.
So the parents were the ones who spearheaded everything. So they
load
took
was
it
off you.
and they ran with it.
Too cute.
Yes.
St. Peter and Paul, innovating. What did you want the key takeaway for them to be from this exercise?
Building friendship, having that lifelong friendship. So that is what we wanted to bring across to our students.
Yes, miss.
Last word from you, sir. We'll wrap it up.
Well, I just want to contribute to what I really want them to understand is that we are a family here and we are friends, and I just want them to be together, you know, have that relationship going on
To value
as
friendship.
a class,
Yeah.
Yes.
right? Because this was a class project.
Yeah.
Yes.
Copy that. Looks like an A to me. Class project with an A. Thanks, guys. Everybody wave to Auntie. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yes, you can go eat. Lord, go and go eat. Don't go about in business. Teachers O'Shane Morrison. Yeah, the wedding finished, sir. Thank you, Pastor. And Marlene George Brooks. St. Peter and Paul students run the prompter for me, guys. Preparatory grade 1 students. You saw them all. Thank you so much. Okay, great. All right. We'll be right back. After the break, we're delving into the issue of skin markings and professionalism. We'll be right back with that. Let me take up the flowers.